Okay, got a aerator here. It's a Bluebird 424 model, I do believe. Anyway, just checking this out. The major complaint thing here on this one was chain off, and it had been sitting in the back of the garage. But this thing, I started out with checking the oil. I just took it off. It just immediately started pouring out water. And then I dumped it all out. And this is majority of it here is water. But it was just full of this, I mean, real thick, sludgy stuff. It was pretty nasty. It was gnarly. It was coming out of there in just clumps of goo. And I haven't checked, but there's some little things that fell out there. I gotta strain this and see what's in here. Doesn't feel like anything hard right now, so I guess it was just globs of coagulated oil water mix or something. So that one was nasty, and now it does have spark. That's a good thing. But if you can see down in there real close, that intake valve is stuck open. It's rusted open. I've had it soaking. I shot some PJ down in there, and I'm going to go back and try to ever so gently kind of try to push that down a little bit, maybe with something, not with a blunt, some kind of blunt object. I've been on it a little bit, not too hard, but been tapping on it. Or I'm gonna end up taking the head off and tapping it down manually, see if I can get it just kind of break loose, but I'd have to take the head off, so that's another job. But this thing's got like no, I'm pulling a rope, and it's not moving that intake valve at all. So there's that, full of water and rust.